Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Come here to require alt text before posting here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me require alt text before posting disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.